Hi, in the last lecture, we learned about how to use internal CSS. We use paragraph tags and heading tags for their styling. But if we have two paragraphs like this and we want to different styling on each paragraph, what would you do it? For this, we use classes and IDs. These are the most useful in CSS. So first get rid of these tags and save it, refresh. Now our normal HTML is here. So first we learn what are IDs. IDs, I write here H1 and write ID and name it red. In CSS, IDs are shows with hash symbol. They are represented with hash. So hash and write here red, the name of ID, and curly braces, and I write here color red. Save it and refresh. So now you see our color is of heading is red because we write here ID name red, and in CSS I use hash symbol that represent IDs and name of ID, that is red. So same, if I use second paragraph and write here ID green, and before this we write here hash green, and I write here color green, save it, refresh. So now you see only our paragraph that contains green ID have green because we write here the ID name green, and in CSS we use hash that represent IDs and with green name. So the third one, if I want to write here yellow, and in CSS I write here hash and the name of ID, and I write here color yellow, save it and refresh. So now you see both three texts that has different and two paragraph texts are now different styling because we name ID here in these paragraph tags different IDs, and here we use different. If I want to change the font size of yellow ID, that is our third paragraph, I write here font size 50 pixels, save it and refresh. So now you see our third paragraph is greater than our normal paragraph because in yellow ID we change the font size, that is the ID of third paragraph. So that is the concept of IDs. Now we talk about what are classes. So if you have, for example, if you have third paragraph, fourth paragraph, I write here paragraph, and this is third paragraph. Save it and refresh. Now our normal text is here. If I want to use the same styling that we use in third paragraph, that is head ID yellow, the same thing on this paragraph, what would you do? For this we use classes because classes are used to select many more than one paragraphs or any text or headings, while IDs are used to select a unique paragraph or a one on a page. So for this classes, I write simple, delete this and write here class and write here yellow. Now we use classes. So for this, I simply delete this. Classes are represented in CSS with dot. Dot means dot, and right here yellow. Save it and refresh. Nothing is changed here because we use the same text styling with class. Now our third paragraph is class that is named yellow, and in CSS we use dot symbol that represent classes, and we use here yellow for the same. Now I use in our fourth paragraph, I write here simple class and write here yellow. Save it and refresh. So now you see this is our third paragraph. Text is now same styling as our this paragraph because we use here classes for both same. So that is the concept of classes and IDs. So here we end this lecture. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and like the videos. Thanks for watching.